गाइस, मैं हूं स्नेहा। आपका मेरे चैनल पे स्वागत है। तो आज की वीडियो में हम शर्ल्स कॉस्मेटिक्स के प्रोडक्ट्स का इस्तेमाल करके एक समर स्पेशल स्किन केयर रिजीम करेंगे। एज यू ऑल नो, हमारे कंट्री में द समर्स आर रियली हॉट एंड हार्श, स्पेशली फॉर आवर स्किन। कहीं कहीं पे टेम्परेचर 40 डिग्री से ऊपर चला जाता है एंड द हार्श सन रेज कॉज अ लॉट ऑफ स्किन डैमेज because we all tend to wear sleeveless, short skirts, shorts, short tops, so a lot of your body part is exposed to the direct sun rays and that can cause a lot of skin damage अगर हम अपने स्किन की अच्छी तरह से देखभाल नहीं करेंगे. So to give that extra love and care to your skin, you need to follow a summer specific or summer appropriate skincare regime for your skin. So talking about the brand, Cheryl's Cosmeceuticals is India's first professional skincare brand. So ये स्किन साइंस, केमिस्ट्री, इनोवेशन, इन सभी चीज़ों को कंबाइन करके हमारी इंडियन स्किन को ट्रांसफॉर्म करने में हेल्प करते हैं. अपने स्किन को समर में वो एक्स्ट्रा लव एंड केयर देने के लिए हम ये 3 स्टेप वंडर रिजीम फॉलो करेंगे. So the first product in our step will be this Oxyblast facial kit, which is a one-time 7-step DIY facial kit. And this helps in rejuvenating your skin. आपके स्किन में अगर ऑक्सीजन लेवल्स डिप्लीट हो गए हैं उन्हें रिप्लेनिश करने में मदद करता है. इट ऑल्सो प्रोवाइड्स एक्टिव इंग्रेडिएंट्स एंड न्यूट्रिएंट्स इनटू द एपिडर्मिस, सो आपकी स्किन लगती है हेल्दी, ग्लोइंग एंड रेडिएंट. सो स्टार्टिंग विद द फेशियल फर्स्ट, this as I told you is a DIY facial kit, so it's perfect अगर आप अभी सैलून में जाके फेशियल नहीं कराना चाहते हैं, you want to stay at home, still look your best and salon grade का अगर आप फेशियल घर पे करना चाहते हैं. Okay, so let's begin with our facial. So starting with the first step in this Oxyblast facial kit, we have the Oxyblast cleansing gel, which is a pH balanced gel that cleans the skin and prepares it for the next step, which is exfoliation. So I'm gonna apply the entire product all over my face and neck like this, massage it really gently in circular motions, and then I'm gonna wipe it off. Now this one has citrus lemon fruit extract, so it helps in cleaning your skin of all the impurities it has. The next step is the Oxyblast Deep Peel. This helps exfoliate all the dead skin cells and rejuvenates your skin. It has papain, so apply it all over your face and neck like this. Look at how gorgeous the color is. And I'm gonna massage it 2 minutes with steam and then for 3 minutes without steam. Then you can either wash it off or wipe the peel with moist cotton. Step 3 is Oxyblast Skin Oxygenator. Now this helps in reviving the skin and making it look fresh. It has zinc, PCA, cucumber extract. So I'm gonna pour this entire skin oxygenator on a cotton pad like this and gently apply it all over my face and neck. Next is the Oxyblast Rejuvenating Serum. It has actives that soothe, moisturize and help in skin firming. Now this one has bisabolol and olive leaf extract, and I'm gonna pour it on my hands like this, on my fingertips, and apply it all over my face and neck and massage it gently till it gets absorbed and you can leave it on your skin. The next step is the Oxyblast Deep Penetrating Mask. Now this is a cream-based mask that improves skin tone while nourishing the skin, and the active ingredient in this is vitamin E. So I'm gonna put this entire thing on my face and then steam my skin for around 5 minutes, and then I have to leave it on for around 10 to 15 minutes and then I can wipe it off. The next step is the Oxyblast Energizing Cream, which energizes and nourishes skin, making it lighter and radiant. The active ingredient in this is arbutin, which helps in lightening your skin. So I'm gonna take all the product on my fingertips like this and gently massage it into my skin in light upward strokes. And आप थोड़ा थोड़ा पानी का इस्तेमाल भी कर सकते हो बीच में for massaging. Otherwise, your hands can feel a little dry while you're gliding it on your skin. So easily आपके hands glide हो. So you can take a little bit water and 10 to 15 minutes आप अच्छे से मसाज करो. इस वाले स्टेप पे आप अपना टाइम लगाना so that जो भी सन डैमेज हुआ है उससे बहुत आपको बेनिफिट मिले इस स्टेप के बाद. The final step is the Oxyblast Radiance Mask. Now this mask tightens and brightens the skin instantly. It has aloe vera and Canadian willow herb. एंड अगेन इस फेस मास्क को मैं इस तरीके से फिंगर टिप्स पे लेके पूरे फेस पे अप्लाई करूंगी 8 से 10 मिनट या जब तक कि ड्राई नहीं हो जाता मुझे इसे ऐसे ही छोड़ना है and then I'm gonna wash it off with normal tap water. And the single use facial kit costs rupees 300 only, and 300 rupees में आपको salon जैसे results मिल रहे हैं, so it's definitely worth it. And this is something that you can do every 21 days to get that lost oxygen and glow back into your skin. Okay, so moving on to the next step, वो है ये O2C2 Radiance Lotion. Now this is a daily night repair cream. Again, it has some really powerful ingredients. Let me talk about them. So it has sodium cocoyl allanonate, which is known to reduce the appearance of wrinkles and fine lines. It also has Actinidia polygamma fruit extract, which helps improve the transparency of your skin. It has Evodia ruticarpa fruit extract, which again provides radiance and luminosity to the skin. Now this has palmitoyl oligopeptide and palmitoyl tetrapeptide, and both these ingredients help in giving your skin that smooth and youthful glow. इसके साथ ही इसमें है bisabolol, which helps in giving that soothing effect on your skin. Now, as I told you about all the wonder ingredients that this radiance lotion has, it helps in increasing the luminosity of your skin, increases collagen production. जो भी sun की वजह से damage हुआ है, some people get that blotchiness because of sun damage. It helps in reducing that. Also leads to smoother skin, so you have lesser fine lines and wrinkles. And it also helps in restoring the balance to, the dull and lackluster skin, and helps in reducing dark patches. And now coming to the star product of the skincare regime, which is the sunscreen. And guys, sunscreen is the number one anti-aging product जो आप अपने skincare regime में include कर सकते हो. Sunscreen is something that you cannot skip. Even if you're not going out of your home, घर से बाहर जा रहे हो, then it becomes absolutely necessary. Okay, so talking about the good ingredients that this sunscreen has, and I really love that this is a water based sunscreen spray. So बहुत लोग complain करते हैं that they have oily acne prone skin and thick heavy sunscreens लगा के उनके skin में breakouts हो जाते हैं या it feels really heavy on the skin. So this is a water based sunscreen spray, so it's really easy to apply and blend into your skin, and it will give all the protection from the very harsh sun rays. So as you can see, it is enriched with tomato fruit extract, pomegranate extract. It has vitamin C. It also has niacinamide. So the tomato fruit extract in this is a powerful antioxidant, and it helps in reduction in melanin synthesis. Pomegranate extract again helps to reduce the sun damage on your skin. Vitamin C, as we all know, is a very powerful antioxidant, so it helps in reducing and preventing skin darkening. Okay, so one really interesting ingredient I can see in the list, it is encapsulated octinoxate UV pearls, which help in physically blocking the UVB rays to protect your skin from sun damage. I think those are some really cool and really innovative ingredients they've put in it. It also has titanium dioxide, which again is an absolutely good ingredient to have in your sunscreen that offers protection to your skin from UVA and UVB rays. It also has niacinamide, which is supposed to be a really good ingredient for people with oily, acne-prone skin, and it helps in reducing skin pigmentation. So this is something which is suitable for all skin types, even if you have oily, acne-prone skin. It also has bisoprolol and bemotrizinol, which together help in absorbing, reflecting, and scattering UV rays. For its application, I'm going to take 2 to 3 pumps, and then like this, I'm going to blend it in my skin. It doesn't take a lot of time to get absorbed, and as you can see, it is so lightweight. It doesn't feel heavy. It doesn't make my skin oily or greasy, which is the best part. And you need to apply it on your entire face and neck, and also wherever your skin is directly exposed to the sun. It becomes very important to apply sunscreen on all those parts, and you have to apply it a few minutes before you step out of your home, and even if you're inside your homes, after you're done with your skincare regime, after you're done with your daily shower, definitely don't forget to apply it on your skin daily. Because it's an oil-free water-based spray formula, it is really lightweight on the skin and it is perfect for Indian summers. And both the O2C2 Radiance Lotion and the Derma Shade SPF 30 sunscreen spray have to be used daily. Only this facial kit that I showed you earlier in this video, you can use this once every 21 days. So this was my today's video on a brand which is India's first professional skincare brand, that is Cheryl's Cosmeceuticals. Honestly, I've tried their products before. ये वाला facial kit मैंने पहले भी try किया हुआ है and I absolutely love the professional, the salon-like quality that this has. As you saw, the steps were amazing. I mean, salon में जो steps वो use करते हैं, it has all those steps and I absolutely love how my skin looks after doing all these steps, and especially using this sunscreen on a regular basis, because this is so important in your skincare regime, especially in this very hot and harsh summers. So products को खरीदने का लिंक नीचे डिस्क्रिप्शन बॉक्स में आपके लिए मैं ज़रूर डाल दूंगी. नीचे दिए गए लिंक्स पे जाके प्रोडक्ट्स को चेक करना मत भूलना. आप जब खरीदोगे, खरीद के वापस आके वीडियो में मुझे बताना आपने क्या ट्राई किया, कैसा लगा, कैसे रिजल्ट्स रहे आपके स्किन पे. So thank you so much for watching my today's video. Bye bye.